I'm about to show you something that completely changed how I make money online, and it came from the most unexpected place. I asked DeepSeek AI a simple question, and what it told me actually worked. And surprisingly, it didn't tell me to start some dropshipping store or to buy some random crypto coin. It told me something way more powerful that you probably haven't heard before. So here's what happened. I was sitting at my desk, frustrated as hell, because I'd been trying to make money online for years, and I mean years. I tried dropshipping back in high school around 2018 with a friend. We got our first sale within only 30 minutes of launching ads, which was insane for beginners, but then we ran out of money to keep the ads going. That was a classic rookie mistake. And for the next few years, I bounced between different business models. Nothing really worked, nothing stuck. I was completely lost. And the worst part, my mom would ask me over lunch, "How's the business going?" Because I didn't go to university. She asked me, "Did you get any new customers?" And I'd tell her the same thing every single time. "I'm doing what it takes, Mom. It's gonna work out. Trust me." But deep down, I knew I was not only lying to her, but lying to myself as well. I would spend entire days procrastinating, watching YouTube videos, scrolling through social media, not because I was lazy, but because I had zero clarity on what to do next. And without clarity, discipline is literally impossible. You can't be disciplined when you don't even know what steps to take. So one day, I decided to do something different. I opened up DeepSeek AI and I asked it a straightforward question. What's the fastest way for someone like me, starting with no skills and no real experience, to actually make money online? And what it told me completely flipped everything I thought I knew about making money. It said, stop trying to sell random products. Stop chasing trends. Start with what you already know. Monetize your knowledge first, because there is something you know and you could monetize even if you don't think there is. And that is when everything clicked for me. Or, if you really know nothing, leverage other people's knowledge. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Let me explain to you why most people never make real money online. They chase shiny objects. They try selling stuff they don't understand. They have no clear system to follow, no proven process. That's why 95% of people at least fail at making money online. They're throwing spaghetti at the wall, hoping something sticks. But here's the truth. The people making real money aren't chasing trends. They're solving real problems for real people using knowledge they already have or are willing to learn quickly. So I created what I call the PTP method, passion to profit, and it's dead simple. You take what you know, what you love, or what you have an experience in, and you turn it into a profitable business. The best part is, you already have everything you need to get started right now. You do not need some fancy college degree, it's fucking useless. You don't need tens of thousands of dollars in startup capital. You also don't need a huge following. You just need to know something that can solve someone else's problem or be willing to learn it. If you don't know anything, you can always leverage other people's knowledge. Let me break down the exact system that's made me thousands of dollars a day in profit with AI. Step 1 is crafting your offer. This is the foundation of everything. And this is where most people screw everything up. They focus on themselves instead of who they help. People pay to solve pain. Your offer needs to target a specific group of people, what we call a niche, and solve their specific painful problem. If you know about fitness, don't just be another fitness coach. There's thousands of those. You're not original. Be the coach who helps busy moms lose 10 pounds in 90 days without spending hours at the gym. Do you see the difference? You're not selling fitness. You're selling a specific transformation to a specific person with a specific problem. When I finally got clear on my offer, helping agency owners, coaches, consultants to get more leads and more booked calls, everything changed. I wasn't just selling a service anymore. I was selling a solution to their biggest pain point. That's what I was doing back in 2022. Step 2 is generating appointments. And here's the good news. You don't need a fancy website that looks like Apple's. You don't need expensive ads to get started unless you can afford them, then sure. All you need is content plus direct messages that lead to warm conversations, which leads to booked calls. Before you even think about running paid ads, you need to get your first client organically, meaning for free, to validate your offer. Otherwise, ads will never work because ads are like adding fuel to a fire. If there is no fire, the fuel does nothing. Now, if you had $50,000 in the bank, I'd tell you start with ads, but probably you don't. Here's the exact funnel I used to get customers quickly. I would post harmful content on social media about getting more leads specifically. People who engaged with it would get a direct message from me offering something free but valuable, like a quick audit or a video training. This led to a conversation, which naturally led to a call if they were the right fit. I remember sending out my first 100,000 messages after posting content. About 30% of people responded, and some became my first high-paying clients. That's literally all it takes to start. One client. That's it. Step 3 is having a proven sales conversion mechanism. This is once again where people fuck everything up. Keep it extremely simple. One call and you sell one offer, one transformation. When someone gets on a call with you, they're not buying your time. Let me say that again because this is crucial. People are not buying your time. They're buying a dream, an outcome. They're buying a solution to their pain. High ticket doesn't mean expensive for no reason. It's not just about slapping a big price tag on garbage. It means a high value transformation. When I started charging over $1,000 per client, it wasn't because I thought my time was worth that much. It was because the transformation, the result I provided, was worth way more than just $1,000. In fact, I was undercharging at first. But it's always better to start by undercharging and over-delivering, and then you increase your prices slowly than doing the opposite and not getting any customers in the first place. The call should feel like a conversation, not a pitch. You want to connect as a human with another human. You want to understand their problems, and then if they're a good fit, you present your offer as the bridge between their pain and their desired outcome. I remember my hands were shaking during my first sales call, but I focused on genuinely understanding their problems instead of trying to pitch them. People can feel when you actually care about helping them versus just trying to take their money. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Step 4 is delivery the right way. This determines whether you get testimonials, which are the lifeblood of your business growth, because that will help you convince skeptical people who would have never bought otherwise. You want to start with one-on-one coaching to validate your offer, unless if you choose to sell a done-for-you service, of course. This will give you immediate feedback on what works and what doesn't. So you don't need to build a product before you sell it. First you sell, then you help the person. Once you've helped a few people one-on-one successfully, you can move to group coaching for more scale. That way, you help more people without spending more time working. And only after you know exactly what works should you even think about building an online course. Here's the mistake way too many people make. They try to create and sell a course before they've actually helped anyone. Courses are the hardest thing to sell if you haven't built massive credibility and results first. When I got my first client, I over-delivered like crazy. I was available, responsive, and focused entirely on getting them results. Nothing else mattered because I knew if they saw results, they would stick with me, refer me to others, and the cycle would keep going. And that's exactly what happened. My first client got results, gave me testimonials, which led me to getting more customers. And then the next customers paid me even more. And the cycle just kept going. Why does this passion to profit method work so well? Because it follows fundamental business principles that actually make sense. It's not like dropshipping, where your entire business is based on a trend that can vanish overnight. First, the PTP method leverages your existing knowledge or the knowledge of other people, which means you can start way faster. You don't need hundreds of thousands of dollars in startup capital like you would with a traditional brick-and-mortar business. Second, it doesn't require you to have a huge audience from the start. You can literally start with 0 followers. Third, it focuses on solving real problems, which instantly makes you valuable in the marketplace. You could have your first client in 2 to 4 weeks if you follow this properly. Now look, I hate get-rich-quick schemes. They're garbage. But when you focus on solving real problems for real people, money follows naturally. Get-rich-quick schemes never last. They're worthless. I'll never forget the day I signed my first high-ticket client for more than $1,000. I ran to my mom to show her the notification on my phone. And that look on her face, that pride, it made all the sacrifices worth it. And the best part is, not even 5 days later, I got another client who paid me even more. This wasn't luck. This wasn't some overnight success story. It took me years to get to that point. It was the result of finally having clarity on exactly what to do step by step, which in turn gave me the ability to be disciplined. Before I had this step-by-step process, I was constantly procrastinating because I didn't know what to do next. But once I had clarity, taking action became almost automatic. It's like the fog lifted and I could finally see the path in front of me. Now, here's what this could look like for you. If you're good at personal finance, your offer could be helping young professionals create their first investment strategy. If you know digital marketing, or even if you don't, your offer could be helping local businesses get their first 20 customers through social media. If you're knowledgeable about health, your offer could be helping people with their specific conditions regain their energy through customized meal plans. Everybody knows something valuable, and if you don't, you learn it or you leverage other people's skills by selling their services, but you don't fucking do nothing with the excuse of, oh, I don't know what to do. The PTP method isn't a magic pill. You are gonna face rejection. You will have calls that don't convert. Most won't, in fact. You will doubt yourself at times. I'm not going to lie to you about that. But here's the difference between those who make it and those who don't. The ones who succeed keep going through those initial struggles because they trust the process. They don't quit after the first no. They don't quit after the fifth no. They keep going until they get that first yes. When I look back at my journey, the turning point wasn't some magical tactic. It wasn't some secret hack I discovered. It was having a clear step-by-step system, process that I could follow that eliminated all the guesswork. The Passion to Profit method works because it's built on timeless principles. You solve real problems, you connect with real people, you deliver actual value, and the money follows. It's that simple. Look, I'm not special. When I started, I was just a kid from a lower middle class family trying different business models with literally no success, watching YouTube videos while I procrastinated because I lacked confidence and clarity. But now, I've built a business that gives me not just financial freedom, but also the satisfaction of genuinely helping others, all by monetizing what I was willing to learn. The difference between where you are and where you want to be isn't luck. It's about making smart choices and staying committed to the process. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.